Hey, Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog template inside of ClickFunnels, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you the entire funnel for free. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I actually did another video about how to create a blog in ClickFunnels, and that video did quite well, and I want to go a little more in depth. Rather than just telling you like how to do it or explaining it, I want to actually do it, and like I said, give you the share funnel at the end so you get something tangible. So you're not going to want to miss that. You're going to want to watch until the end. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into the video. So all you got to do, obviously you need ClickFunnels first. The link will be in the description below if you want it for a free trial, but obviously you need ClickFunnels. I'm sure you already have it if you're searching this, but you want to go add new and then just create new funnel. Okay, so you just hit collect emails right here and you can tag it if you want, and then we'll name it blog. Okay, so we'll build funnel. I just hit enter to do that. But now, once you're actually in here, it's just a basic opt-in page and thank you page. Okay, so there's two ways to do this. So for the actual home page, they have a homepage template with like this one right here. So you can preview it. And this is one of the homepage funnels we could use. This one is nice. I actually like this one. Or you can go up here to miscellaneous and then you can go down to the home page, or you can probably just type in home, which is probably easier. So right here, this is the traditional home page, right? So there's things I like about both of them. I don't know. I mean, it's up to you. You could change it around. I think this one is better. Like you're going to get more opt-ins and whatnot. But I also like this one because it will match up with like the blog template a little more, but it's really doesn't matter. It's your personal preference. If you do use this one, I would make sure to add an opt-in page or an opt-in little box right here on this one. So anyways, we'll just use this one for example, okay? Since it will just be more congruent. So we'll select that. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go edit page. We're gonna just call this home page update. And then right here, we're gonna click on thank you page. And then what you're going to need for a website is you're going to want to have, like, for example, on my website right here, you want to have a home page. Okay, this is on WordPress, by the way. But you want to have a home page. You want to have contact. You should have an about page. I guess I just don't have one because it's on my blog page, kind of. But I would suggest getting an about page. I don't really do much on this website. It's kind of like my hub for my stuff. I should really have an about page. I should practice what I preach. But anyways, so there's a few pages you want. You want like a tools or resources page, and then your blog, obviously. Okay, so right here, they have home, about us, blog, contact us. And then you could also add like a resources page. And then you could do like a call to action up here. So like for me on my website, all of these bring up like my opt-in page, right? So or my opt-in box. Okay, so that's what my buttons do. You could do it many different ways. You could have the button bring it up and actually pop up, or you could just have it right there already. Both work. Test them, see what works better for you. We're not going to go super in depth and just like create everything. I just want to have like the templates made for you and show you exactly how I would do it. With the blog template though, I am going to build it out a little bit and show you exactly what you need to do. So anyways, this is the home page. You would obviously have to change it around, and if you want the one with the opt-in, do that and edit to your actual business. And then right under, we'll go to edit real quick. But if you want to like change this to actually make it your blog, so you could just like add a new element, make a picture, and then put the picture above here, and then copy, and then you could also do like clone that, and then you could just make like how I have it on mine. You could do like stuff like this, like have an ebook, your YouTube, Facebook group, and then I have my videos and then my article, right? So it just depends how you want to kind of lay it out. Totally up to you. So that's what you could do there if you want to. And for each of the pictures, you could do like an icon. So you could go right here and you could maybe find some stuff in here. You could maybe put like these or something, you know, and make them a little smaller or something like that, or just go to an icon website and find icons like how I use on mine. So totally up to you, but that's what you would do for your homepage. Okay, now I'm just going to delete this, and then we're just going to put this for our actual blog stuff. So I'm not going to actually use these, but you would want to have a thumbnail. I'm just not going to take the time to do that, but I am going to show you exactly how we would go about doing that. So now we're going to go to the thank you page, and we're going to add in all of the pages that we would need. So that way, if you use the share funnel, you're going to have them all inside of your stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add an About Me page. So there's two different ones. You could use this one, or you could use this one. Okay, so this one is more about like some call to actions and stuff, and it just depends how you want it. I think this one is more for like yourself, and this one is more for like your business. But honestly, like this is probably the one I would use. I mean, I might put like an opt-in box down here too, but you definitely want some call to actions on your About page. Typically, the About Me page is a pretty highly visited website. But anyways, I'm just gonna use this one again because it's congruent. You can see that it matches up with the other one. So we're just gonna add this one, select template. Then we're gonna go right here. We're gonna call this About Page. All right, gonna add a new step. This one will be Contact Page. So we'll go to miscellaneous, hit traditional contact page, select template, then blog page. Okay, so the blog page is the one that's actually gonna host all of your blog posts. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So we're gonna go to miscellaneous. We're gonna type in blog. Okay, so I'll show you the difference. All right, so this is the blog page, and then these are the different blog posts. Okay, so what I would do is I would probably do one of these two. Okay, so this is the blog post. I would personally have this on the right side. You can see on mine, we'll just go to one of my blogs. I have my stuff on the right, and then I have the blog on the left. Okay, totally up to you how you want to do it. And then if you click this, brings up an opt-in page again. You want to have some call to actions. I have my YouTube channel here. So pretty basic. That's how you want to do it. Keep it basic. So anyways, this is the other version of it. Totally up to you. I'm just going to use this one to stay congruent because you can tell it's the same exact style. That way when you edit it, it's super simple to do. And this is the actual blog page. Okay, so this is where all your blogs are going to be. So we're going to add this as our blog page. Select template. And then we're going to add blog post 1. All right, so then you go to miscellaneous. Now you go to blog post, and again, choose whichever one you want, but I'm just going to choose this one because it's congruent. So select. Now, super simple. Now that we have all this ready, and you want to add in like your privacy policy and stuff like that. So you would just go to miscellaneous and add that. I'm not going to do that. Super simple to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to the blog post. We're going to edit it. All right. And then I'm going to go to my blog right here. And I'm just going to copy all of this. And then boom. You have the entire blog post right there. Okay. And then you could just do about the author, change your little picture here. All right. So you would change your image. We could change it to me. And then you just say about author, Thomas Garetz, right? And then we'll go back up, grab my little about thing here, and then put that there. Okay. And it looks like you'd have to actually put the pictures in yourself. So the issue with that is you would not want to just copy and paste my entire blog post, right? So you see right here where the space is, this is where my YouTube video should be. So the reason why you don't want to just copy and paste the entire thing, which you shouldn't be doing, you shouldn't just be copy and pasting people's blog posts into here. You should be writing your own. But for example, if you did copy and paste something or you were moving your blog over to ClickFunnels, what you would do is at this space, you're gonna copy the rest of this. So we're gonna copy all this, okay? Control C, backspace. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna clone this. Then what I do is Control A, that's to select all of it, and then Control V to paste that. And then under here, we're gonna delete this space, okay? Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right here, add new element, then you're gonna go to video, and then what you would do is click here, go to YouTube, and then you would enter the YouTube URL. Okay, so for example purposes, we'll go do this quick, grab that URL, go here, paste it, save. Now, we don't have to worry about that right now, but then right here you could say about company or name. So we could say about Thomas Garetz, right? And then you could have your little about thing up here again. Or if you had a company, you could put that up there. Either way, I'm just doing this for example purposes. And then you could say, enter your email below for your free ebook. Okay, so pretty simple. and we could make it black maybe, I don't know. But then you could just make it a little bigger like that, and boom. So obviously right here, you want to go to settings, integration, and then you want to set this to your autoresponder, subscribe to a form, and then click the form. Okay, so now it's connected. And then what you want to do here is you want to connect each of these to the links. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to save this real quick. Not worry about that. We're going to exit. Now, we're going to open that in a new tab, and we're going to go here, and we're going to edit this page, which is the blog post. Okay, and then what we're going to do is obviously you'd want to have an actual domain name. I'm just using the stock one because I'm not going to use this website, but you would copy this. This is for blog post 1. Okay, and that one wasn't complete. We'll finish it in a second just to show you how it would look. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this link, okay, and we're going to go here. So right now I'm just going to put this link right there because that's the link we need just to save it, because I'm going to have to copy something right here. So we're going to take this title, okay, we're going to go here, we're going to paste it. So now we're going to take this link, copy it, and we're going to go here. And what we're going to do is we're going to link to this and post that. Okay, so now this will link to our actual blog post. Okay, so we can change this, written by Thomas Garetz on today's date. So you change that. So right here, we're gonna go back, and then on desktop, I don't have the excerpt show up. So I have it show up on mobile though, because I think it looks better. So we're gonna go right here, we're gonna copy the excerpt, and we're gonna post it right here. So then we're gonna take this link again, copy it, Control A, Control C, and then we're gonna click right here, and we're gonna hit Set Action, and then we're gonna go to website URL, okay? We're just gonna paste it. You can open it in New Tab, and then hit Save, all right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna preview this, all right? Just so you can see how this works. So if we click this, or if we click this, it will go to the blog post, okay? So see, this is the blog post we just did. And when you're writing a blog, always make sure to space this stuff out. Obviously, I just copy and pasted it, so it's not gonna look good. But you can see on my blog, we'll go back to it. I try to keep things simple, just like one line space. Just don't do a bunch of big blocks of text. People don't like that, okay? So just keep spaces in between stuff. It makes it a lot more simple to read, and you can see that's where the video is. And it's just super simple to make a blog post and an actual website on ClickFunnels. Had I not started with WordPress first, trust me, my whole thing would be on ClickFunnels, guaranteed. It's so simple. They have the Facebook comments plugin. It's super dope. Everything's all in one. So we're gonna save this. We're gonna go back. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go into the blog post now. We're gonna edit it. And I'm not gonna do this for every single one because obviously our URLs are different, but I wanna show you how you can kind of speed things up when you're doing things like, for example, Control A, Control C, Control V. Those things help, but when you have like multiple tabs open, like at a time, like 2, I'm not saying have 27. A lot of people brag like, oh, I got 37 million tabs open. I'm a king of getting things done, right? Like, no, that doesn't work. Like at most 2 or 3 tabs. After that, things get confusing, like even for me, okay? But if you have 2 tabs open, I'm gonna show you the power of what you can do right now, okay? Right now we're in the blog post, so we're gonna go right here. We're gonna take our home page URL right here, copy it. All right, we're gonna go to home, we're gonna click this, and then for home, we're gonna go to link URL, and we're gonna post that, okay? And you could have it open in same window or new window. I do new personally, but then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to about page, we're gonna copy this, Control C, paste it there, and then you could do new window again. But so it's pretty simple, right? So then you go to contact page, and then you copy this, and then go to contact right there. And then for the blog page, you go right here. So you see how simple it is? And then you would want to paste it right here. And then for the call now for a free trial, you would want to say that like, you could do whatever, like get your free training here or something, right? Or whatever, and save it. And you would want to obviously edit this stuff. I'm not going to do that, but it's super simple. You put the title of the page, you put the page description, a couple keywords, your name, put an image that will show up if you share this website. Totally up to you. You could use a favicon, and then that's that. That's all you got to do. All right, so real quick, I want to show you 2 hacks that are going to save you so much time and really help you out with this, okay? Because that's just a show of appreciation for you, because you've made it this long in the video, and it really means a lot to me. But if you could just do me one thing and smash that like button for me, because it really helps these videos. It really does. And I spend a lot of time making these, so if you could just hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it. But now let me show you these 2 things. Okay, so the first one is just kind of like a quick little nice hack, and the second one is going to save you a ton of time. Okay, so check this out. So you see on my WordPress site, I have a button right here. I had to custom code this. It took super long, super annoying, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that here if you wanted to use that instead of text, right? So what you do is you add new row. You would do 3 columns instead of 2, because this is 2 columns. So then if you want to have this, you could copy it, and this is just text. Okay, so you could literally type in thomasgaretz.com, or if you want to do something else, you could add an element and put an image. And then instead of just using text, you could just put your logo there. But that's not what I'm trying to show you. So what I'm going to show you is right here. This is called navigation. So if you wanted to, you could just clone it, or you could hit add new element, go down to navigation, and then click that. Okay, and then change the color, the font, the size, all that stuff. And then right here, we could just move that there instead. Move that there instead. There we go. And you see how it looks all messed up. So what you can do now is you go to settings, and then you go to advanced, and you can change the number of links. So that's one thing we could do. We could go to 4, and then that works. Or you can just move this over a little bit, this over a little bit, and then you could add in more. Okay, then right here, you add a new element, and you just add a button. So it's way easier than doing custom coding, having to add all that in. So that's one thing you could do. And that's just a quick little hack. And then the thing that I wanted to show you is, you know how we were like going into each of these and then adding like the links and stuff? You're probably thinking like, oh, I got to do that for all 5 pages or however many there are. And then down in the bottom too, you got to do all this. And you're like, oh, I got to add that to every page. Not true. Okay, let me show you what you do. This is a hack. Not many people do this, so definitely pay attention to this. This is, again, for you because you stayed this long, and this is a hack that will save you so much time for all the people that were too lazy to keep watching. So thank you. But what you do is you go right here and you hit save. Okay, so this is going to save it as a template. All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to, here, actually, let me type in something right here so it doesn't say that, so you can tell that this works. So type in thomasgaretz.com, or again, you could put your logo there, however you want to do it. And then if you want to change like the font and everything, that's all right here, and the size, it's simple. Then you go right here, you hit save, and then we could call this blog header or something like that. Save as personal template. Okay, so then you would do the same here and then save it as like blog footer. Okay, so then we're going to save this. And then again, you want to do this, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to go into home page now. We're going to edit that. And then what you do is up here, you make sure it's on the green because we saved the whole section. If you would have saved like the row, then you would add it as a row where the blue is. But we're going to do a section, add new. And then what you do is you go up here to my sections. Okay, you see this one, blog header. So that's all you got to do, and all your links will already be in there. So you just do it one time for the header and the footer, and then put them on each of your pages. So that's a huge time saver. Definitely worth staying till this part and watching, but just keep watching. And again, if you could subscribe and hit that notification bell, I'd really appreciate it. But I got some more info for you, so stay tuned. So now, once we hit preview, what happens is we click on each of these and it will bring us to that page. So this is our home page and then the about page. See, so everything's linked together. It's not all like one website like WordPress, but it's super simple to put it all together. And I'm gonna put the link to this share funnel in the description below, along with a free trial to ClickFunnels. I hope that makes sense. And real quick, I just want to show you how to edit this actual thing completely because we missed a few things. Pretty simple. But right here, you would want to change the title. Okay, you don't need to link to this one because this is inside of the blog post. Okay, and then right here, you can have this if you want, but you don't need it. But to edit it, you would just click right here, click this little thing, and then you put your link to whatever in. Okay, I would suggest using it if you have a free ebook or whatever you're doing, which is like your free giveaway, or if you're promoting like a $7 front end offer like Legendary Marketer, for example. That's what I promote. That's the first link in the description if you want to get started with that. That's more high ticket stuff and you can earn some real income. But it takes action, obviously. I'm not saying anyone's going to make money by doing no work. This stuff takes work, but you can do it if you work at it, just like this funnel. Super simple, but I really hope that makes sense. And again, let me know if you have any questions. And if you want to learn more about online business and affiliate marketing, you can watch these videos right here. And make sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. And then click my face right under here to subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. That's all I got. See you on the next video.